This exercise is the bear and the bear crawl. You're gonna start from a tabletop position. Again, your hands are under your shoulders, knees under the hips, feet are slightly in closer, and the spine is in neutral with elongation in the spine. Nice strong core as you're breathing into the abdomen, creating that intra-abdominal pressure. Then from there, you're going to go into a bear position. You're gonna bring your toes under and you're going to drive your hips up into the air. So this would be considered a low bear. You can see the spine is neutral, and then you can go into high bear, which is where you go into more of a downward position as we extend the shoulders. From there, you can just hold this or you can start to walk. So in this position, she's maintaining that intra-abdominal pressure, a nice neutral spine, and moving the opposite arm and opposite hand to create locomotion. It's a lot harder than it looks, and again, it's about slow, controlled movement, not about going fast. Trying not to torque and twist your body as you move forward or backwards.